Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer from CVS Couponing Hall, week of August 16 to August 22, 2020. Today I show you all digital and printable deal, so you don't need to buy a newspaper. So let's get started. The first deal it's Colgate toothpaste deal, scenario 1. If you have that CRT, buy 2 Colgate and get back $4.50 ECB back. It's limit 2 per household. It's also sell $3.49 each. Buy 4 Colgate total SF 3.4 OZ. The totals come out $13.96. In this deal, if you want to use $5 of 3 Colgate digital coupon, you need to must buy 3.4 OZ Colgate total. Use one $3 of 12 Colgate CVS CRT. Use one $3 of teeth whitening kit or treatment CVS CRT. Use one $5 of 3 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. Use one 75¢ of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon on colgate.com. The total coupon is $11. Pay only $2.21 and get back $9 ECB. The final cost all 4 Colgate is free plus $6.79 money maker. Colgate toothpaste deal scenario 2. Buy 2 Colgate and get back $4.50 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. Buy 4 Colgate total SF 3.4 OZ. The totals come out $13.96. Use one $5 of 3 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $8.96 and get back $9 ECB. The final cost all 4 Colgate is free. The second deal is Colgate toothbrush deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothbrush and get back $5 ECB back. It's limit 2 per household. Buy 4 Colgate manual toothbrush 1 CT. The totals come out $20.76. It's $5.19 each. Use one $5 of 20 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 4 75¢ of Colgate printable coupon on colgate.com. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $12.76 and get back $10 ECB. Final cost is $2.76 or 69¢ each. The third deal is Colgate mouthwash deal. Buy 1 Colgate mouthwash and get back $2.50 ECB back. It's limit 2 per household. It sell $3.99 each. Buy 2 Colgate total mouthwash 500 ml. The totals come out $7.98. Use $1 of 5 Colgate mouthwash or any other mouthwash CVS CRT. Use 2 75% of Colgate mouthwash printable coupon on colgate.com. Pay only $5.48 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is 48¢ or 24¢ each. If you have that CRT 5 of 25 or 5 of 20 CVS CRT, then you can do this deal all together. Colgate toothpaste, toothbrush and mouthwash deal. All has a limit 2 per household. Buy 4 Colgate total advance 3.4 OZ. The total is $13.96. It's $3.49 each. Buy 2 Colgate 360 whole mouth clean toothbrush. It's total $10.38. The total is it's $5.19 each. Buy 2 Colgate total mouthwash 500 ml. The total is $7.98. $3.99 each. Use one $5 of 25 Colgate CVS CRT. Use one $5 of 3 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. Use one 75% of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon on colgate.com. Use 2 75% of Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on colgate.com. Use 2 75% of Colgate mouthwash printable coupon on colgate.com. The total coupon is $13.75. Pay or roll $18.57 and get back $9 ECB for toothpaste. Get back $5 ECB for toothbrush and get back $5 ECB for mouthwash. The final cost all 8 product is free. The fourth deal, it's L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic Deal. Scenario 1. Spend 15 L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy 4 L'Oreal Voluminized Original Mascara. The totals come out $30. It's 2 for $15. Use one $10 of 30 L'Oreal Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Eye Cosmetic digital coupon. Use 3 $2 of L'Oreal Paris Eye printable coupon on coupon.com. It's last week. The total coupon is $18. Pay or roll $12 and get back $12 ECB plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost of all product is free, plus you can get free beauty bag when you spend $30 on any cosmetic product, but must buy $30 cosmetic. Also, there is a loyalty reward program. Buy 4 mascara and get 5th free L'Oreal Paris mascara. This is the another scenario 2. Spend 15 L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy 2 L'Oreal Voluminized Original Mascara, $15. It's 2 for $15. Use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Eye Cosmetic digital coupon. Use one $3 of 12 Cosmetic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $10 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is $4 or $2 each. Also, there is a loyalty reward program. Buy 4 get 5th free L'Oreal Paris mascara. The fifth deal is Maybelline deal. It's scenario 1. Buy 2 Maybelline cosmetic and get back $7 ECB. Buy 2 Maybelline single eyeshadow. The total is $8.98. It's $4.49 each. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $7 ECB. The final cost is $1.98 each. There is another deal, Maybelline deal scenario 2. If you have $10 of 35 Maybelline CVS CRT, buy 2 Maybelline cosmetic and get back $7 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy 2 Maybelline single eyeshadow. The total is $8.98. Buy 3 Maybelline Great Less Big Mascara. It's total $22.77. It's $7.59 each. Buy 1 Maybelline lipstick, $8.29 each. The total is $40.04. Use one $10 of 35 Maybelline CVS CRT. Use one $1 of Maybelline mascara digital coupon. Use one $2 of Maybelline lip care digital coupon. Use 2 $1 of Maybelline printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $25.04 and get back $21 ECB plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost all 5 cosmetic product is $1.04. Plus you can get free beauty bag. It's exclude physician formula. The sixth deal is physician formula deal. Buy 2 physician formula and get back $8 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 physician formula eye makeup removing product. It's total $14.98. Use one $4 of physician formula mystery coupon. Maybe it's $5. It's available on 8/16/20. Pay only $10.98 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you have $3 or $12 of cosmetic CVS CRT, you can attach to this deal to get free stuff. In this deal, if you want to hold that mystery coupon on next week, you can hold that mystery coupon because it's 8/23/2020. It spent $10 and get back $7 ECB. The seventh deal is Almay Cosmetic deal. Spend $10 and any Almay Cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 6 per household. Buy 2 Almay Eye Set. The total is $14.58. It's $7.29 each. Use one $3 off 12 cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $5 off Almay Cosmetic mystery coupon printed on 8/9/2020. Use one $3 off 2 Almay Cosmetic app only coupon. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $3.58 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is both product is free. The eighth deal is L'Oreal Eleva shampoo deal. Spend $15 L'Oreal shampoo and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 4 L'Oreal shampoo 12.6 OZ. The total is $16. It's 2 for $8. Use one $3 off 2 L'Oreal shampoo digital coupon. Use one $3 off 2 L'Oreal shampoo printable coupon on coupon.com. Use one $3 off 12 shampoo conditioner CVS CRT. The total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $7 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost all 4 shampoo is $2 or 50 cents each. The ninth deal is Stay Free, Carefree and Playtex deal. Spend $12 and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also buy one get one 50% off. Buy one Stay Free Maxi Pad with wings. It's $7.99. You buy one Stay Free Maxi Pad with wings. It's $3.99. It's 50% off. The total is $11.98. Use one $3 off on Stay Free Pad CVS CRT. Use one $3 off 2 Stay Free Pad digital coupon. Use one $2 off 10 paid liner CVS CRT. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is 98 cents or 49 cents each. The 10th deal is Sick Razor deal. Spend $15 and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one Sick disposable razor. It's all sell $5.99. Buy one Sick man razor. It's $8.99 each. The total is $14.98. Use one $3 off Sick disposable razor deal available on 8/16. Use one $4 off one Sick disposable razor digital coupon available on 8/16. Use one $3 off $12 Sick disposable CVS CRT. The total coupon is $10. Pay only $4.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus 0.2 cent money maker. The 11th deal is Pantene deal. Buy 3 Pantene shampoo and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell on 3 for $12. Buy 3 Pantene Beautiful Lens shampoo 12.6 OZ. It's $12. It's 3 for $12. Use one $3 off 12 hair care CVS CRT. Use one $2 off Pantene Aussie hair care CVS CRT. Use one $5 off 3 Pantene digital coupon. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $2 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus $2 money maker. The next deal is Pantene deal also. This deal is different to that deal. Buy 3 Pantene shampoo and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell 3 for $15. Buy 3 Pantene Beautiful Lens shampoo 17.7 to 20.1 OZ. It's $15. Use one $4 off 14 Pantene hair care CVS CRT. Use one $2 off Pantene Aussie hair care CVS CRT. Use one $5 off 3 Pantene digital coupon. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $4 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. So the next deal is Iris Spring body wash deal. Buy 2 body wash and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. It's also sell 2 for $8. Buy 2 Iris Spring body wash 18 FL OZ. It's $8. Use 2 75 cents off Iris Spring body wash coupon on irispring.com. Use one $2 off 8 body wash CVS CRT. The total coupon is $3.50. Pay or roll $4.50 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost both product is only $1.50 or 75 cents each. The next deal is grease toothpaste deal. Buy 2 get $3 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. It's also sell $2.99 each. Buy 2 greased toothpaste $5.98. Use one $3 of 2 greased digital coupon. The total coupon is $3. Pay or roll $2.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost both toothpaste is free. The next deal is household deal. Buy 2 Tide liquid or Tide pod and get back $5 ECB back. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell $11.94 each. Buy 1 Tide liquid 9200 OZ, it's $11.94. Buy 1 Tide pod 21 to 35 CT, it's $11.94. The total coupon it's $23.88. Use one Tide liquid digital coupon. Use one Tide pod digital coupon. Use one Tide pod CVS CRT. Pay or roll $14.88 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost both product is $9.88 or $4.94 each. The next deal is Gillette or Venus razor deal. Buy 2 Gillette or Venus razor and get back $8 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Gillette Mach 3 razor $9.59. Buy 1 Gillette Venus razor $10.49. The total is $20.08. Use one $5 off $20 razor refill CVS CRT. Use one $2 off Gillette razor digital coupon. Use one $2 off Gillette Venus razor digital coupon. The total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $11.08 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is both razor are $3.08 or $1.54 each. So this is the next week couponing haul. If this deal is helpful to you, just give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question about the any deal, you can just comment down me below. See you guys.